Hello, fellow knitters. We often face problems with our knitwears. Here are some easy methods to do so. The cuff of hand knitted sweaters can be mended by raveling and reknitting, but difficulty arises while we try to fix issues with ready-made sweaters, where you don't have extra yarn. Sometimes machine-woven sweaters are too fine to hand repair. Loosening of cuff can be mended. Hip stitch gives you two easy methods to do so. All you need is similar color yarn, needle, scissor. Here you can see the cuff is knitted with two knit and two purl stitches. On the wrong side or reverse side, we will stitch two ridges with the help of cotton thread and needle. In this way, continue stitching the ridges. Continue stitching the alternate knitted columns or ridges as per your requirement. Do same on second sleeve. After stitching approximately 1.5 inch, tie a knot and cut the extra thread. In this way, you will be able to tighten the cuff. You can see the wrong side of the cuff, and in the front side you can see it's looking smooth and good. Another method is to put a fine elastic or yarn on edge stitches of cuffs. Thread the needle. Insert needle through stitches on edges. Gently pull the thread. Continue the process. Continue the process of pouring through stitches. Tie both ends of thread and adjust knot to, to the desired cuff width. Cut extra thread and we are done with mending. Don't you think it's easy to do? Thank you for watching and keep knitting. Do not forget to subscribe the channel.